How to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your Bluetooth not working in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just run the Troubleshooter. So to do that, what you need to do is just right click on your Windows and then go with Settings. Under Settings, now you need to go with System option. Under System, you need to scroll down and then find the Troubleshoot section. If you're using a Windows 10, then you can just simply go with Search and you can search for Troubleshoot. Now under Troubleshoot, you need to go with Other Troubleshooters. And now you need to find the Bluetooth Troubleshooter. So once you're under the Bluetooth, you need to go with Run, which is on the right side, and then start the Troubleshooter or run the Troubleshooter for Bluetooth. Once you've done with this, you'll have two options: apply the fix or skip the fix. So you just need to simply go with apply. Once you've applied the fix, then your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Bluetooth not working in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.